The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO 3554 Robot Vacuum is a smart vacuum designed to simplify your home cleaning routine with advanced features. It automatically empties its bin into an enclosed bag, storing debris for up to 60 days, so you don't have to think about vacuuming for 2 months. Equipped with dirt detect technology, it targets dirtier areas for a thorough clean. Its smart mapping allows you to control room-specific cleaning via the iRobot app or voice assistants like Alexa. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO also supports vacuuming and mopping when paired with the Roomba combo bin, giving you a dual-function cleaner for both hard floors and carpets. Users are loving the Roomba i3 Plus EVO for its hands-off convenience and efficient cleaning. The automatic bin emptying feature is a major highlight, allowing the vacuum to run for up to 60 days without needing manual emptying, which makes it perfect for busy households. Many have praised its dirt detect technology, which targets high-traffic areas and ensures a deep clean. The smart mapping feature and voice control integration with Alexa and Google Assistant are also popular, giving users control over which rooms to clean and when. The mop function is another big hit, providing an all-in-one solution for hard floors. Despite its impressive performance, some users have reported that the Roomba i3 Plus EVO struggles with navigation in homes with lots of furniture, occasionally missing spots or getting stuck. Additionally, the mop feature is limited to hard floors, and a few users found it less effective on tougher stains or larger spills. Another point of concern is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi requirement for setup and operation, which can be inconvenient for users who primarily use a 5 GHz network. Finally, some users have mentioned that the replacement bags for the automatic dirt disposal system can add to long-term costs. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO is an advanced robot vacuum that delivers hands-free cleaning with its automatic bin emptying, dirt detect technology, and smart mapping capabilities. Its ability to vacuum and mop makes it a versatile cleaning tool for both carpets and hard floors. While some users noted issues with navigation and the cost of replacement bags, the convenience of scheduled cleaning, voice control, and the ability to clean multiple rooms efficiently makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning routine.